stunning twist in the Deepam row. In a setback for the DMK government, the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court has refused to stay contempt proceeding in this case. The matter relates to the non-compliance of the order to light the Deepam at the stone pillar there. Now, the division bench, however, has allowed the contempt proceeding before a single judge to continue this case, keeping the pressure on the state. Now, let me take you through the key observation that has been made by the court as far as this entire case is concerned. Observation number one is that the pillar faces multiple ownership claim. Remember, the Waqf board has recently stated that they also own the land. Observation number two is that claims range from survey stone to mosque property as well. Observation number three that is coming from the court is related to lighting elsewhere is not equal to lighting at a specific site. Now, the court also went on to say that proof is needed to show the customs at the location. So that is what the court has said as far as the Deepam row is concerned. In another twist, the Tamil Nadu Waqf board, as we told you, has now claimed that a keystone pillar central to this dispute actually belongs to the Dargah under its control, adding another layer of complexity to the legal battle that is currently underway in the state of Tamil Nadu. The High Court is hearing the arguments, with the Waqf board now ready to have peace talks as well, contrasting with the petitioners as the officials struggle to implement the court order amid conflicting claims and the political tensions that have come in. So now the Waqf board claiming that, in fact, that specific area belongs to them.
They are claiming it was theirs. What were they doing about it all this while? But you've got to please understand one thing. There is no prohibition in Tamil Nadu for anybody of any faith to practice their faith, to practice the rituals and the customs of their faith. As far as Karthikay Deepam is concerned, the lamp has been lit in the place. It has always been lit for years and years, and it will be lit in the future as well.
All right, so a big claim that is coming from the Tamil Nadu Waqf board now, that is claimed that a keystone pillar, as we told you, that is central to the dispute that you can also see on the screen, is under its control. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Dharani, who's been tracking all the details as far as the case is concerned. Dharani, there's another twist. Now, the Waqf board is claiming that the stone pillar that we can also see on the screen is, in fact, it belongs to them. Tell us how, whether they filed a petition in the court as far as this claim is concerned.
Well, the Waqf board is one of the parties in this case, and yesterday during the hearing before division bench of Justice Jayachandran and Ramakrishnan, that is when the Waqf board's counsel made this claim. He told that the stone pillar, which is now the point of contention, which is being described as Deepatun by the Hindu groups, that in fact belongs to the Dargah, that is within the Dargah's limit is what they told. And in fact, we also got to speak to the secretary of Sikandar Dargah, that is Mr. Arif Khan. He also seems to be echoing similar sentiment. He says that as per a 1920 judgment, the mosque and the adjoining land that's close to the mosque, that belongs to them is what he says. And he also very clearly states that the stone pillar will fall under this category, and so the stone pillar belongs to them. So definitely it is adding one more layer of complexity to this already complex issue, because earlier we've seen different versions of people claiming what this stone pillar to be. Like, one section says that this is a survey pillar installed during the British era, and there's another section that says that this is in fact a Jain structure that was used by Jain sages in the early 1900s, and now the Waqf board is claiming that it is their property. So there are multiple complexities as far as the ownership of the stone pillar and the nature of the stone pillar is concerned. The hearing is continuously happening in the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court before a division bench of Justice Jayachandran and Ramakrishnan. And as you rightly said, the division bench has refused to halt the contempt proceedings against the state government, which is being heard by Justice G.R. Swaminathan. So, of course, let's wait and see what is going to be the conclusions of the Madras High Court. But for the time being, the nature of the stone pillar and the characteristics of the stone pillar has become a point of discussion here, with multiple people coming up with multiple theories.
Absolutely. So all eyes will be on the hearing in the court. But as you also mentioned, another level of complexity has been added in the case with the claim that is now coming from the Tamil Nadu Waqf board. Thank you so much, Dharani, for getting us all those details. Now, BJP has reacted strongly to this new claim that has come in. Listen in to what the party said.
இந்த கையெழுத்து போட்ட ஒரு எம்பிட்ட எதுக்குனே கையெழுத்து போட்டீங்க? விமான நிலையத்தில் எங்கிட்ட மாட்டினார், டெல்லி விமான நிலையத்தில். அவர் சொன்னாரு, பிரதர், இந்த மைனாரிட்டி ஓட்டு கொஞ்சம் விஜய் எல்லாம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த பக்கம் அந்த பக்கம் எல்லாம் போற மாதிரி இருக்கு. நாங்க இந்த மாதிரி டிராமா கீமா பண்ணி 100% எங்க பக்கம் வச்சுக்கிட்டா தான் கொஞ்சம் 1 ஓட்டு 2 ஓட்டுனாச்சும் வர முடியும். நீ அரசியல் திட்டத்தை போட்டுக்க, நீ ரூம்குள்ள என்னவோ போட்டுக்க. இந்து தர்மத்தை, இந்து மக்களை எதற்காக உணர்வுகளை புண்படுத்துகின்றீர்கள் என்பதுதான் நம்ம கேள்வி.
And with this, a short break. We'll be right back.